Hey everybody, it's Brad
and Claire
from the Big Family Homestead, and we have a special treat for you today. We are making lemon bars, but I think I've officially changed the name because it's not good enough. It doesn't sound tasty enough. I think we should call them, yes, Lemon Bliss. Okay, so lemon bars, or rather the newly improved name, Lemon Bliss, is not our normal delightful treat. It's so tasty, but we break one of our cardinal rules. We do. We normally do everything from scratch and nothing processed and nothing in boxes, but this is a recipe that we actually kind of break the rule because there's a box of lemon cake or yellow cake in the recipe, and but trust me when I say it's worth it sometimes.
Oh yeah, always.
So always, not always.
No, not always.
Sometimes,
but sometimes it's always worth it.
Sometimes that doesn't make sense.
Exactly.
So we're gonna show you the ingredients, and Claire here is gonna be the hands in the pot instead of Mama, because Mama's busy right now. So without any further ado, let's bliss on. Okay, for ingredients, we're talking super basic stuff. You're gonna need 1 package of yellow or lemon cake mix. We're going with the yellow today. You're gonna need 1 stick of butter, 4, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs, a package of cream cheese, the old 8-ouncer will do, and 1 pound of powdered sugar. But here is the secret ingredient. And we used to use lemon extract, and you can use lemon extract, but if you use lemon extract, it's 4 teaspoons, but we're using now, lemon essential oils. This makes it taste oh so much tastier.
So first off, what you're gonna wanna do is add your cake mix, your butter, and the 1 egg. We're gonna save the other 3 for later. And that is our crust. So what you're gonna wanna do is take your crust and pour it into your 13x9 pan and make sure it is spread out evenly, and mush it down with your hands and make sure you get up the sides. And there you have it. So now for our filling, we're going to take our powdered sugar, the rest of our 3 eggs, and our cream cheese and mix that all nicely together.
And don't forget about the lemon extract or your essential oils.
Now it's time to put in the lemon extract, or you can use essential oils. We like to use about 20 drops. Now the filling goes on the crust. It's okay if the cream cheese is a little smushy because it'll melt when it's put in the oven. So now you're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes.
All right, here we go. And it's time.
Time to get it out of the oven.
Poof, poof. So the wait is over. Feast your eyeballs upon that deliciousness, delightfulness, and all-around yumminess. Oh, it's tasting time. What did I do with my fork? Here it is, right here in my pocket. That's the normal place. People keep their forks around here. What do we got? Oh my gracious. That is so good. Lemony, but not too lemony. Trust me, the corners are really, really, really good.
I took the corner first.
So there you have it, folks. Lemon Bliss, easy to do. Don't use the box stuff all the time, but once in a while, or sometimes always.
Sometimes it always.
I don't know. I don't know. So, Brad,
Claire,
Big Family Homestead. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to 0 to 0. Bye-bye.